to another day, another vlog. I just left Sejah farm for the 3rd time this week. I just picked up another bag of sorrel. So today's going to be a really fun day. I have a little beach party get together thing to go to, so that's where we're heading to now. But while we were at Sejah farm, I actually got the farmer to give us a little, I got him to tell us a little bit about the farm. So I'm going to include that footage right here so that you guys can learn a little bit about Sejah farm.
Welcome to Sejah Farm. Sejah Farm is an organic farm. Where we are standing right now is the farmers market, and you probably see some of the pictures of it. Everything that we grow here or everything that we sell here is locally grown. We try to grow for our 40-mile radius we have here between the 3 islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, and St. John. And we just love what we do.
Hey.
We raise animals. There's a sheep, goat, chicken. We do chicken for eggs. Right this time, because of the hurricane, we are rebounding. We're still rebuilding with a few things. But we have our production up, and we work with other farmers just as well.
Okay, so like I said, now we are on our way to the beach. We are going to Lube, which is near the lagoon. I haven't been there since I was a kid, honestly. Like, it's been years since I actually went to that beach and swam at that beach. So we'll see what it's like. I heard it's not too great, but beaches change so often, you never really know. So it might be a good surprise today. But either way, there'll be some cool people there for us to hang out with. And yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so maybe we might need to pick up some food before we go. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day, so I'm excited to take you guys along.
Yo no sé si soy para ti, si serás. Yo no sé mañana. Yo no sé mañana.
We made it. We just got here. Are you feeling nostalgic?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. You can barely see it. There's somebody parasailing out there. I don't know if you can see on camera, but they're there. I'm gonna go closer to the water so you can see. also just popping in real quick to say that I am still making the sorrel. I bought it today, it's still good, so we're gonna make it tomorrow morning, so make sure you tune in to tomorrow's video. I picked up the laptop from home so that when we get there I can do some editing. So I'm hoping to do some editing even though I'll be around everyone, but I really want to keep up with the whole Vlogmas goal and get a video up every day. So I'm going to be getting my video up tonight, which means that I need to edit even though I want to hang out with people. So the sacrifices that must be made. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like it, make sure you leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.